Hi, I'm Tim from AutoZone, and we're out in the garage today instead of at the store. We're going to talk about how to remove and properly dispose of a dead battery. Since most car batteries have a life cycle between 3 to 5 years, dealing with a dead battery is something that you're going to have to deal with at some point. Your car battery uses lead and acid to retain a long-lasting and reliable charge. Both of these materials pose a serious risk to the environment and to your health, so it's very important that you ensure that you recycle it the right way. The easiest way to do it is to bring it right into your local AutoZone, and they're going to actually pay you for any old battery you bring in, or we'll take your old battery, which will keep you from paying a core charge if you have to purchase a new battery. You can also check your local hazardous materials recycling facility that's in your city or town. While these are often quick and easy methods, they don't give you anything for your old battery, which is worth money due to the valuable amount of lead that's inside of it. The third option you have is any metal recycling establishment. These places generally take scrap metal of all kinds, and they're going to pay you for your battery or batteries that you drop off. Now, let me show you how to disconnect your dead battery and how to transport it safely and get it recycled. First, you're going to need to wear gloves and eye protection. Old batteries may have a leak, and battery acid is not good and dangerous. You're going to disconnect the negative terminal from your battery. It should have a black or gray coating on it. You'll need to use a wrench to loosen the nut that's on top of the terminal or on the side terminal, and be sure that your wrench doesn't touch both terminals at once. Remove the cable from the positive terminal, which should either be a red cable or have a red coating or red top on top of the terminal. Once the cables are removed from the terminals of your battery, nearly all batteries are going to have a hold-down device in the form of either a strap or a block at the bottom of the battery. Let's remove that next. In this case, you can see it's a strap on top of the battery. Now, check to see if your battery has a clip, strap, or any other safety features that are holding it in place. After these are removed, check to ensure that the battery is free from any cracks, punctures, or other surface damage that may cause a battery fluid leak. Leaking batteries require extreme caution, and battery acid can be irritating, causing burns or even long-term health issues, so please be careful. If you're unsure of the location of your battery or which terminal is positive or negative, take your vehicle to your local AutoZone or one of our preferred shops to get some professional help. Many vehicles require the use of a separate power source to keep a constant 12.6 volts of power to the vehicle once the battery's been disconnected. Check your repair manual or online sources to determine if your car is one of these vehicles. AutoZone is also a great place to visit if you're unsure of the condition of your old battery. Even if you're having difficulties charging your battery, the issue could be the alternator or other related components. At AutoZone, they'll test or charge your battery for free. Now that you've safely removed your old car battery, store it in a plastic bag. Or you can use 2 bags as a heavy-duty option to ensure that grease or grime of your old battery doesn't stain your vehicle as you transport the battery. Plastic bags are also going to ensure that any battery fluid leak remains safely contained. Please never store or transport your battery on its side. Some types of car batteries have vent caps that can leak acid if not properly stored upright. Be cautious of how you store and transport your battery to ensure that it hasn't jostled, tipped, or dropped over. All of these harsh movements can easily damage your old car battery. It's best if you remove the battery from your property as soon as possible. A lead-acid battery in a plastic bag may still leak battery acid. Don't let this risk stay in your area for longer than it needs to, and find out how you can safely recycle it before any damage is done. And remember, if you need to invest in a new battery, AutoZone carries multiple battery options for most vehicles that are on the road today. Click on the link to learn more about how to replace your car battery. Now that you know where to recycle batteries, it's time to upgrade your worn-out battery with a safe new battery. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.